Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to do this eye look with the Aloha Honolulu Eyeshadow Palette by Essence. This palette contains vibrant, beautiful colors and is great for those of you that want to experiment with colors. What do you think about the color story of the palette? Leave me a comment down below. I'm gonna start off with this light beige shade. It has a satin finish and it is gonna be my transition color. With an eye blender brush by Essence, I'm buffing the eyeshadow in the crease area. Up next, I'm taking this light pink shimmery shade and with this one, I'm gonna highlight the brow bone. It has a very nice sheen and after blending, it's not so pink on the skin. For this one, I'm using the eyeshadow brush by Essence and to have a smoother application, I'm blending the color back and forth on the brow bone. Moving on to this yellow intense shade, this one is matte and rich in color. I'm diffusing this in the crease with the 2-to-1 brush by Zoeva and I'm trying to keep the color closer to the eyelid. I'm picking up some more product to intensify the color. I'm always blending the eyeshadows in layers so I can have a smoother finish. Following that, I'm picking up this gorgeous corally shade. It has a matte finish and I'm buffing that out in the outer part of my crease. I start by blending the product very close to the eyelid and after that I'm going towards the yellow shade with the 2-to-5 brush by Zoeva. I am also dragging my brush on the outer eyelid. These two shades are looking so beautiful together in the crease. After that, I'm taking this lilac satin shade and I'm pressing my brush on the outer third of the eyelid. It has a very nice color and you can make it more noticeable with your fingertip like I'm doing here. With the tip of the brush, I'm bringing the color in the outer crease to soften up the edges. Now I'm taking this light blue shimmery shade and I'm pressing this on the inner eyelid. It is such a beautiful shade and I'm also dabbing that on the same area. With the same brush, I'm blending the two shades on the eyelid. I continue by taking the green matte shade with a smudging brush by Urban Decay. I'm buffing that in the outer lower lash line, a little bit on the outer corner as well, and then I'm going back and forth to blend any edges. For the inner part of the lower lash line, I'm gonna be using the pink vibrant shade. It has a satin finish and it is very easy to blend on the eyes. These two colors look like they don't match so well together, but blending makes magic. I'm going back in the yellow shade and with this one I'm blending the edges of the green and pink shades. The yellow shade unites in a way the two other colors and the result is more cohesive. To highlight the tear duct, I'm picking up the light pink shade with a pencil brush by Morphe. I have this brush for ages. It came with a brush set that I have for at least 8 years now. We can say it's durable. This shade is so pretty with the blue eyeshadow on the eyelid and also the pink in the inner lower lash line. I'm dipping in this dark navy blue shade. It is the darkest in the palette. I'm buffing this in the outer corner of the eyes. This shade has a matte finish and it is way darker than the other ones in the palette. You don't need to take a lot of this shade because it is very rich in color. I'm switching up my brush with the 2-to-5 brush by Zoeva to blend furthermore. I'm taking the same shade with a different brush to define the upper lashes. I'm trying to go as close as possible to the lashes with the eyebrow brush by Essence. In the waterline, I applied the Smart Eye Pencil by Kiko Cosmetics in the shade 10. It is a blue eye pencil. And for mascara, the Essence You Better Work Volume and Curl Mascara. You can also check my playlist with Essence makeup tutorials. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!